Guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So let's quickly talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some of the FNO stocks. So before I do that one, I just want to start with silver, right? So we talk about the rules, but a lot of people keep on asking for more and more documentation. Fundamentally, you look at this chart, which gives this has a lot of information. One, if you are actually looking at somewhere here, right, from morning 9 o'clock till almost here, right, till 6:30, the price is actually oscillating between weekly high, weekly low. That's a daily high, daily low. So these are the two levels. Between these two, price keep on oscillating. So absolutely, there is no trading opportunity. Sometimes you can question me, okay, so there is a bounce back from here and maybe it will touch this one. So yes, I'm not denying it, but when we talk about a trade, these are like baby trades, right? We need to look at something like, you take a trade confidently, you make X points. X is like it depends on you. For me, 20, for you 40, for someone else it's 100 points. It doesn't it's up to your potential. But when you take a trade, that should make some sense. You look at these till here, there is no opportunity. You are waiting, and this is the time you look at like 6:55. And the next candle, there is a breakout of this level. What actually there is a breakdown is a low of the week, low of the month, low of the week, low of the day, and the monthly low. Once there is a breakdown from 88,597, 88,597, you look at this one-sided fall, 87,500. There is a 1,000 point fall from here to here. Right now, what is the time now? 8:40. What time it actually 7 o'clock, right? In 1.5 hours, there is a 1,000 point fall. Look at something like 88,500 PE or 89,000 PE somewhere here you have taken after you see the breakdown. Aramse you would have made enough money for this weekend, coming weekend party. So that is what actually this indicator help you. Let's go back and look at our favorite Nifty. So this is the Nifty. As morning midday update, I kind of given an update on Nifty. If you look at this open here and the negative tone, exactly tested this level. And this is one more kind of like, we're talking about a baby trade. We just mentioned about this. When you see a clear reversal from this level, a low of the week, low of the day, when you see a clear reversal, there may be a possibility to test this high, and exactly market supported our levels today again from the low to the high. You see this how close this just touched and reversal. Here there is a CE opportunity, even though I keep saying between these two levels, high of the week, low of the week, not an advisable trade, but when you see a clear opportunity, who stops us taking in a right trade at the right time, right? So there is a good, almost like, this is a 920 and this is 700, 200 points upside momentum. But when you see a clear reversal here, happily you would have taken that 23 or 24,000 PE and you've been waiting for that, you would have made 300 points fall. 300, 200, 500 points is an awesome opportunity in the market and one day. And these two are the easiest trades, as you can see, from here to here, level to level, and from level to level, right? Yes, probably 50% of that maybe you can book it here, but that continued till here. So now the market is again in the slight negative tone because the price is below the weekly low. So if you look at it, where are the monthly levels? You are already in a below monthly low, right? Monthly low, weekly low, daily low. So it's all low, right? No point in like looking for the CE here. Either raise, sell and raise, or you wait for the price to close above this, aim for this one, or if the price is like being pulled to this level, then you go further up because this is there is only one trading day in this month. Okay, starting Jan first trading day, so you are going to see a new monthly high, new monthly low, and we will align our trading according to that. Right? There is some really good trading opportunities today, and no one need to give in a more and more detailed information about these two trades. Right? It's the easiest trades as you can see. Now let's go back to Bank Nifty. Right? Bank Nifty. Exactly the same thing what we are discussing. If you look at the trading open, just touched low of the day, low of the week. There is an opportunity, but there is a pullback. And when you see this level is crossed, no, you are not sure about this. Wait for the weekly high to cross. You take a trade, right? And then you see this went all the way to the low of the month. When you see a low of the month, if you are missing out this also looking at the Nifty, which is reversing, there is a good opportunity. So you look at 51,930 somewhere here, 52,000 PE. There is like 1300 points fall in one directional trade. So how much we can make out of this, it doesn't matter. But are you able to capture these? But these, when you see a back-to-back candles, I always talk about a confirmation back-to-back candles in 5 minutes chart. When you follow that, a clear fall from here to here, you can capture at least some part of this. That's good enough for us. Okay. So now let's look at few F&O stocks. Ara Pharma market opened here and it keep moving up, and this is a monthly high. It crossed here. There is a good opportunity from 1287 to 1308. If you are in a CE, this is a good opportunity. Tomorrow you see this is already crossed a monthly high. There is a good possibility for this to move further. There is one more Kalyan Jewelers. Look at this one-sided movement from here all the way here. A weekly high, monthly high crossed. There's a good upside momentum from 7 today. Actually, if you see it opened here somewhere 720 to 750. There is a 30 rupees upside on this one. Okay, so some of you are asking me for a scanner. Some of you are asking to give the source script. Some of see everybody has your own request, but see I'm also aware of this, and I'm also working on a scanner, and which once I am able to complete that, whatever reports or results coming out of the scanner on a runtime, I will find a way to share that to the channel. Okay, so hope this helps you in terms of taking a right trade, especially if you look at it maybe in a Nifty, Bank Nifty, or let's look at gold before we close the day. We are almost at the end of the year. When the monthly high is breakout here, it came down, it break. Now this is at the low of the month. You wait for this one. There is a high probability it may pull it back, but because you are already on below weekly high, weekly low, monthly high, there is a possibility of if it breaks down further, you are going to see a good fall from here to next levels. Hope you just maybe observe it for some time. You will have a better idea and use that learning for further trades. Okay, and the last one is Nifty mid. So today morning, actually, when the market actually came all the way here, this is where the Nifty started falling. But you look at this one. The interesting thing is here when it actually tested high of the month, low of the week. These all levels actually act as a strong support or resistance. Right? Someone is coming from the bottom, this is resistance. Someone is coming from the top, is support. Right? When this happened, this is 12,700. And what happened in half an hour? 12,980, almost 300 points up in the mid cap. Capture this kind of a good momentum from level to level. Our MWD Magic indicator definitely will help you a lot. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good night.